To convert a decimal to a percent, move the decimal 2 places to the right. Write the decimal as a percent. Since the 5 is in the tens place, we can rewrite this as 5/10. Every percent should have a denominator of 100 because percents are always out of 100. So if we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 10, that'll give us a denominator of 100 and a numerator of 50. 50/100 can be rewritten as 50%. Another way we can do this is to move the decimal 2 places to the right and add a 0. We end up with 50, and we add our percent symbol. 2 5/10 can be written as 2 5/10. If we convert this to an improper fraction, we get 10 times 2 is 20, plus 5, which is 25/10. To make this a percent, we want a denominator of 100. So we can multiply the numerator and denominator by 10 to get a denominator of 100. On the numerator, we get 250. 250/100 can be written as 250%. If we use the shortcut rule, we can move the decimal 2 places to the right and add a 0, and also add our percent symbol. We get 250%.